Breakups are among life's most emotionally charged experiences, often leaving individuals feeling lost, vulnerable, and overwhelmed. Yet viewed through the lens of Stoicism, a philosophy rooted in self-mastery, resilience, and rational thinking, they become opportunities for profound personal growth. The ancient Stoics believed that external events, including heartbreak, do not define us. Rather, it is our response to these events that shapes our character and future. Below are 10 essential Stoic lessons tailored specifically for navigating the aftermath of a breakup with clarity, strength, and purpose. Accept what you cannot control. The cornerstone of Stoicism is distinguishing between what lies within your control and what does not. A breakup may feel like a rejection or failure, but the truth is that another person's feelings, decisions, and actions are beyond your influence. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong or trying to change someone else's mind, focus on how you choose to respond. Acceptance doesn't mean resignation. It means freeing yourself from unnecessary suffering by letting go of futile attempts to control the uncontrollable. Reframe pain as growth. Pain is inevitable after a breakup, but Stoicism teaches us to reframe adversity as a catalyst for improvement. Epictetus famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Rather than viewing the breakup as a loss, see it as an opportunity to reflect, heal, and evolve. Ask yourself, what lessons can I take from this experience? How can I grow stronger, wiser, or more compassionate because of it? By shifting your perspective, you transform pain into fuel for personal development. Practice negative visualization. Powerful Stoic exercise is negative visualization, imagining worst-case scenarios to prepare yourself mentally and emotionally. While this might sound counterintuitive during a breakup, it helps build resilience. Reflect on the fact that relationships end, people change, and nothing lasts forever. Seneca wrote, "He who has anticipated the coming of troubles takes away their power when they arrive." By acknowledging impermanence, you reduce shock and increase emotional readiness for future challenges. Focus on virtue over validation in the wake of a breakup. It's tempting to seek external validation, to prove your worth through new relationships, achievements, or distractions. However, Stoicism emphasizes cultivating virtue, wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance as the true measure of success. Remind yourself daily, am I acting with integrity? Am I treating others kindly? Am I growing as a person? When you prioritize inner virtue over outward approval, you regain a sense of self-worth independent of relationship status. Cultivate emotional detachment. Without indifference, detachment doesn't mean suppressing emotions. It means observing them without being consumed by them. Use mindfulness techniques to acknowledge feelings of sadness, anger, or longing without judgment. The Stoics practiced what they called cognitive distancing, asking themselves, is this thought helpful or harmful? Is it based on reality or assumption? By detaching from unproductive thoughts, you create space for healing and rational decision-making. Embrace solitude, as strength post-breakup solitude can feel isolating, but Stoicism reframes it as an opportunity for self-discovery. Spend time alone reflecting on your values, goals, and passions. As Seneca advised, leisure without study is death, a tomb for the living person. Use this period to read, write, meditate, or engage in hobbies that enrich your spirit. Solitude becomes empowering when used intentionally to reconnect with yourself. Avoid revenge or bitterness. The urge to retaliate or harbor resentment toward an ex-partner is natural but ultimately destructive. Stoicism teaches forgiveness, not for the other person's sake, but for your own peace of mind. Marcus Aurelius observed, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Rise above bitterness by focusing on kindness, patience, and understanding. This approach not only preserves your dignity, but also accelerates emotional recovery. Build resilience. Through action, Stoicism advocates taking decisive action in the face of hardship. Channel your energy into activities that promote growth and fulfillment, whether it's exercising, learning a skill, volunteering, or setting new goals. Musonius Rufus, a Stoic philosopher, emphasized the importance of action aligned with virtue. Theory is easy, but putting it into practice is hard. Take small, consistent steps each day to rebuild your confidence and purpose. Surround yourself with positive influences. The company you keep significantly impacts your mindset post-breakup. Seek out friends, mentors, or communities that inspire and uplift you. Avoid toxic influences or environments that reinforce negativity. Epictetus cautioned, associate with those who will make a better person. Building a supportive network ensures you stay grounded and motivated during challenging times. Ket. Remember your mortality. Finally, Stoicism encourages contemplating mortality as a way to gain perspective. Memento mori, the reminder that life is fleeting, helps prioritize what truly matters. A breakup, while painful, pales in comparison to the brevity of human existence. Marcus Aurelius urged, think of yourself as dead. You have lived your life. Now take what's left and live it properly. Let this awareness guide you toward meaningful pursuits and deeper connections moving forward. Conclusion. Turning heartbreak into opportunity. A breakup, though difficult, offers a unique chance to embrace Stoic principles and emerge stronger than before. By accepting what you cannot control, reframing pain as growth, practicing detachment, and focusing on virtue, you cultivate resilience and wisdom. These 10 lessons provide a roadmap for transforming heartbreak into a transformative journey, one that leads not just to recovery but to lasting fulfillment and self-mastery. As the Stoics remind us, every challenge carries within it the seeds of greatness. It's up to you to nurture them.